Yo guys, we started a little bit early today. I just opened up NinjaTrader pretty much as this candle's going up. I saw this happen and I was like, oh, I gotta make a trade. One trade, we got plus 680. Solid. Still have this whole, I kind of like this fair value gap one. Like, yeah. Oh, I wanted to buy that at the top. I thought it was gonna go up a little bit more. It might still.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Alright, there's another quick one. If it pops back up right
Order
there,
filled.
there we go.
Stop filled.
Unlucky. Oh my god, see, this is exactly what I thought was gonna happen. I should have moved my stop up a little bit earlier. I just was so afraid of losing big. But that would have just been another, like, really chunky trade. I think this one is also going to still go down a little bit. Actually, honestly, this might go up a little. Yeah. No, it's going down.
Order filled.
Holy moly. Please, no. Don't hit that. Oh my god. It's just climbing now.
Stop filled.
Fug. Just lost like $300. I really thought that, this candle was gonna go down. We'll see though. So that's like one of those spots where I should not have traded. I should have, like, I wasn't fully sure on that, and that's why I gotta work on, like, when I'm actually sure versus when I'm like, But I guess we're never really sure, so we just gotta work on the amount of sureness we have. Alright, one more try on this cell. Once it pops up, like, one more little tick.
Order filled. Stop filled.
$70 trade. Oh, we're making it back. Yeah. Yeah, see, that bar is going down. Like, my stop should have just. Yeah. I think it's going to push up a little bit towards this little tiny red fair value gap. But it really, okay, this is one where I really, again, feel like it's going to go down. And it is going down. Yeah, look at that. So if this goes into this range down here, I'm going to buy it. I mean, it did touch that range, but I waited too long for that one. Yeah, look at that. I should have just bought.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Still waiting for it to dip into this region down here. I think it's going to go a little bit more down. Just watching, just watching. And then we're going to hit it when it does. Yeah, look at that. Plummeting.
Order filled.
No, this is gonna... Oh my god. This is not good. I should have exited right then when it was at plus 10. And I'm like too busy clicking my stuff around. I need to get better with the controls on this. Like, this is already down $500 because I couldn't up that one piece. Alright, we're gonna hold this, and then maybe this will be the day we bomb our account and have to reset. Really thought that that was gonna be a decent spot, didn't exit fast enough to take advantage of these next chunks. But we're going to hold and see. That was a really crazy drop, though. The rebound was good. Just the exiting of the rebound was not. Oh my gosh, I still feel like this is gonna go up. I was trying to buy at the lowest point. The idea that I could wait this out. So I am gonna keep my stop loss like fairly low here. This is a big one. If it goes down, I'm losing a lot, but if it goes up, I'm getting a lot as well. Just holding though. Just holding. Right about back at the line we bought at. Alright, this is the patience part. I guess right now, while I wait, I'm gonna try to figure out where I think it will go. So, I mean, I had this huge rundown. So, I'm thinking maybe like here. That's where we're aiming. Because that bar is really not that far away in terms of the overall daily. And it does look like the trends are continuing up. Looking at the fair value gap indicator also, there's a lot of gap being filled in here. The previous gaps were also filled like we thought, like this whole thing ended up getting filled in. But there's a lot more gap up above now. So yeah, we're just waiting. I'm gonna look at the 1 minute chart real quick. You can see, yeah, it was real rapid descent there. Oh my god, it's going down even more. Yeah, this is a spot where we might bomb our account. We have to hold this one, because if we don't, I wish I could buy more. How do I buy more? Can I buy more? Just waiting here. 30 points down. Almost 40 points down. There we go. It's starting to rise a little. Dude, I'm like cold right now. Don't know why. Well, yeah.
Order filled.
Oh, you can buy more. Oh my god, that's so good. Okay. The more it goes down, the more I will buy. If it hits like this bottom dip again, I'm buying more. 100% buying more. I should have been doing this the whole time. I didn't realize I could do that. I thought I had to stay in like one trade. This is gonna change the game. I'm guessing I can do that for the inverse as well. So I think it's gonna go down. I pick sell, and the more it goes up, the more I just bash the sell button. Alright, we actually turned that trade around kind of in a way, where it's not nearly as negative as it was going to be if we lost. We're going to keep holding this. If it keeps going down, we're going to keep buying more. If it drops below the line that we bought in at, and when I say below, I mean like 5 points below or something. And every time it goes lower, you buy more. And then we're going to try to sell it all at that point up top. Might do another little dip under it, but it looks like there's some good resistance. But again, if it does, like 5 or 10 points, we're buying. A little bit more.
Order filled.
If it touches this next green fair value gap spot down here, I'm buying instantly. Let's let it keep cooking. All right, we're gonna exit. If it drops any lower, this trade is very good. And then we're gonna like
Stop
refigure
filled.
it out. Honestly, I think we're about to pass like the eval account. Some very good trades today. Learning that I can like add on to my orders if I do it right. Helped a crazy amount, as you guys could see. Like if you know it's gonna go in a certain way, or really feel confidently about it, and then it keeps trickling the other way for a little bit, just pile in. Consistency rule. Yeah, but what's consistency rule? Because I think my trades would, like, I didn't change my strategy. So, all right, yeah, I'm gonna wait to make a couple trades. We traded a good bit. Got to learn these rules. All this stuff. Consistency rule. I see, I see. Alright, yeah, that's fine. If a single day, trading day generates more than 30%, I think, yeah, sounds good. Applies until the 6th payout of the evaluation account. No longer applies to a live account. Yeah, no, I know. I was thinking of trying to hit that. I'm like $70 away. I was like, oh, I could just hit that today. I still got like 45 minutes left on the stream. I think we'll try for that. Um, Sounds good. If I reset my account, does that reset the number of days I've traded? Because I did have to reset once. All right, yeah, I'm not too concerned about this. This rule here, like if that's what you're talking about, the consistency rule. Oh yeah, I'll check in one sec. I didn't do this. Yeah, I mean, it really looks like I won't really have to do or worry about much as long as I just am actually trading like an actual strategy and not just going and gambling. Um, Alright, so this account, it says I've had since August 22nd. So it's been 6 days. But I don't know if it counts like the weekends as like trading days in that. So, I really like this fair value gap indicator. I don't know if you've seen this. But my whole strategy, a huge part of my strategy revolves around fair value gap. So throwing this on was pretty good.
Order filled. Order filled.
Damn, I closed it a little too early. I almost sniped it to get like exactly 53k. Yeah. I mean, it wouldn't have been exact, but you know.
Order filled.
Yeah, so I didn't know actually that if I was already like in a shorting position, like a sell, I could keep adding to that if the price went up. Or inversely, if I was trying to buy in a long position, I could keep buying as the price went down. Um, that that's really helping my strategy. I thought I was restricted to like one trade at a time. You're in one, you have to finish that or whatever.
Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
All right, there we go. We're over it. Just made 500 bucks in that trade or whatever. GG. I may keep trading today. I mean, I still have 45 minutes left, but okay, so I guess my question is if you are aware, like now that this price point's marked and hit, and I like if I continue trading on this, um, then it goes from my eval to PA account, right? Or something like that. I don't know exactly what happens, but it goes to another account type, and it goes to another account type. But my question was going to be, or at least I think it goes to both. Once I finish my first evaluation, do I just get accounts after that? Is that like when I do like the 20 account thing, the copy trader type stuff? Or do I have to evaluate on every single account before it's allowed to actually trade? That's what I'm not. I'll ask you about that later, maybe.
Order filled.
Oh, we're gonna see if it goes above this line again. I'm gonna keep buying. I still think it's gonna dip a bit above the line we bought in at. I mean,
Order filled. Order filled.
oh man, another one of those patience games, man. All right, we're gonna take this trade if it goes through. It's so much. Again, they're like $1,000.
Stub
That's
filled.
good. We're up a good bit. We're up a good bit. Honestly, I don't know what to do for the rest of the day besides think. Um, all right, so for the strategy, definitely the idea of like averaging down as it goes in the same direction that's against what you thought. Continue buying, um, or whatever. I don't know if that's the actual term for averaging down when you're continuing to sell the short position. Fair value gap is big. I want to look more into their coding for that to see how they're actually determining that. I'm guessing it has to do with volume in a certain period of time. Dude, look at that. Oh my gosh. Would have been thousands. I mean, we did do 1,000, but I'm gonna actually screenshot this right now. Oh yeah. Oh no. Jay's gonna be excited, I think. But yeah, I definitely like the fair value gap indicator. It's already what I visualize in my head, so just having it there helps me not have to work as hard to visualize that and then can actually think about the numbers. So I think for this account I had to hit the 53,000 mark. Um yeah. So I think the next thing is just trading again tomorrow to have the days consistent and the number of trading days matched or met, and then can move on to the next account type. So by the looks of it, it might actually go down to like here. So look, we're looking over here at this line. Maybe even like right here. Thinking about hitting the sell market button. But I really don't have to do much here because I already passed my count, so I kind of just have to wait now. Waiting game, really. Just not lose more. Just gonna try a sell market right here.
Order filled.
And then every time it goes 5 points above, I'm gonna double what I put in and hit sell market again.
Order
Just to do
filled.
it. Sell market again.
Order filled.
And our target is this fair value gap here. So again, if it goes up to the point where we're down 5 points in our trade, double and go. There was a spot, but it was quick, and I have the confirmation window on, so I definitely would have missed the actual time to buy it. It's probably safer to do it when there's, like, it's 10 points in the opposite direction, because then you can click it, and then hopefully it doesn't bounce fully back. I'm going to leave this limit here and hope that it hits it. Like I said, if it goes up more, we're just going to keep buying. And we're going to put this at like here, because if it jumps up that high, we just want to sell, I guess. I don't know. I don't want to sell. These trades, man. You know what? Fuck it. We're going down there. We're gonna exit.
Stop
Yeah.
filled.
Plus 360. Dude. Trading. What are we trading? Just our time for money? Like, this is free money, dude. I think we might be able to target the fair value gaps more precisely by using like some sort of swing detection. So like, I'm gonna look at the 15-minute one, but you see it's going up, and it might detect that there's like this swing coming back. I say swing detection, maybe it's not the right terminology. I don't know. I'm just saying like this hump here comes back down, right? So looking at these bars, evaluating the prices in this order to see if they're like rising and then falling or falling and then rising. And then, so if it's rising and then falling, we can assume it's heading towards the lower fair value gap. And then conversely, if it's, you know, falling and then rising, we're going to go and aim towards the higher one. Oh, okay, so red fair value gap means it happened on a sell, green is on a buy. That's cool. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end early today. The trading was good. I just want to go take some time to like sit down and write some of these thoughts down that I have. Formulate that a bit and clean up the house a bit, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, I'm just watching this graph. Oh my god. Sell, sell, sell. This is one of the spots right here. You could sell. If it goes up more, you keep buying because these fair value gaps all are concentrated right here. In terms of the higher ones you see, even on like the 15-minute mark, it's pushing up into an area that it has not really been into recently. So, probably going to go back down. But yeah. Alright guys, yeah, thanks again for tuning in. It is going down, look at that. I want to trade, but also, I don't need to right now. This is where it's at, where it needs to be. I don't want to mess that up anymore. I'm just going to come back and trade tomorrow. So, yeah. Alright, cool. Thanks again. I will catch you guys tomorrow. See you.